Okay, so I had to clean more of the lint filter. I realized that there is like some space here where the actual filter goes in. This is the Samsung dryer model DV56 H9000 or 50 DV56 something now 9000. It gas dryer, and this you let me see if I can get the flash on. Yep. So this is the thing that goes. This is the thing that is actually going to come out. It's like this screwed in. It has like 5 screws and also like a sensor on the side. Where is this? Yeah, here's the sensor pin. I got them little bent. I didn't realize that there was a sensor, so I tried pulling it out and a little bent, but I think it's okay. And the screws are here, so 1, 2, and on these ones you can see here 3, 4, 5, right? And you can use your normal Phillips screwdriver to take it out. And these are the sensor power cables. This is the right one, this is the left one. I just like kept the orientation as is. And then when you take it out, there's like gap here which has like which was like clogged totally. I tried to clean it up, still it's not as shiny and new, but I think it's much better now. I'll put it back up and see how the dryer works and whether the vent sensor light goes away. This is the light that I'm trying to fight. So let's see. I believe that it will detect the cleanliness once you start it.